Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Let me close it and open it again, actually, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices, select your Huawei Watch Fit 2 from the list of devices. Now on this page, tap right here on this icon in the top right corner, tap on Unpair Device and tap on OK. Once the watch disappears from the list of devices, close the app, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the Huawei Watch Fit 2 on the list. As you can see, we have two of them. Tap on the info icon next to first one, tap on Forget this device, tap on Forget device, and then tap on the info icon next to second one, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And once the devices disappear from the list of my devices, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.